Welcome to our Grade 8 TLE-ICT Week 4 lesson. In this video, learners are introduced to the exciting world of graphic design by exploring Adobe Photoshop and its basic tools and functions. This lesson follows the MATATAG K to 10 curriculum and is designed to help students understand how graphic design is used to create visually appealing and meaningful digital outputs. In this lesson, you will learn what graphic design is and why it is important. Examples of graphic design outputs: posters, flyers, magazine covers, logos, and more. Introduction to Adobe Photoshop and its basic functions. Key terms: resolution, raster graphics, vector graphics, and layers. Basic Photoshop workspace and commonly used tools. Responsible and ethical use of digital images and graphic design. Introduction to GIMP as a free alternative to Photoshop. A short formative quiz and classroom activity.